Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and here's another very useful tip for you all when using the camera. Okay, so in this one, I'm going to show you how to choose what happens when you swipe the shutter button down and hold in photo mode. So just open the camera and go into the settings. And underneath pictures, you will find swipe shutter button to. So by default, it's set to take burst shot. However, you can change it to create a GIF. So it explains here pretty much what I just said. So choose what happens when you swipe the shutter button down and hold in photo mode. So I'm just going to show you what burst shot is, just in case you don't know. So that's what's set by default. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how the burst shot works, because you might want to actually keep this. So when you open up photo mode, this is the shutter, and if you swipe down and hold, as you can see, it's just taken a series of pictures which you can then view in the gallery. So it's just taken 42 pictures, and these are all the pictures that it's just taken using the burst shot. However, you might not want the burst shot to be set, so you can change it by going back into the settings and select swipe shutter button to, and you can change it to create GIF. So now, if you want to create a GIF, just swipe down, select it, and as you can see, we now have created a GIF. And from here, you can either delete it or share it or edit it. By using any of the options below. And you can even remaster it or set it as a wallpaper, move it to the secure folder, or you can print it. So yeah guys, this was just my video showing you all how to choose what happens when you swipe down on the shutter button and hold in photo mode on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hope this video helped you out. If it did you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one guys. I'm out. Deuces.